Here's an update, quick update on the orchids, which I've been reviving, and to prove that what I've done, it works. Now if you go back and have a look at my previous video, this didn't have no flowering stem, and look at it now. It's got 1, 2, 3, and this one didn't have no flowering stem at all. It's got one growing up here now, and this one, I put this one new, so I can't count that in, so I'll wait and see how this one goes. And this one I did for nearly 2 years, and it was infected with aphids or black spots, so I took the leaves off of here and I took it into the garden and I sprayed it with a washing up liquid, and look how healthy that looks now. And it's got a new stem coming up from here and a new leaf. This one I did almost 2.5 years, and it's still going strong. This one I bought this new same time as this one here, so I should have to wait and see how this one goes. But it's got a new leaf coming out from the center just there, and what I did was I cut all the roots off and I just left about 3-4 roots on each one. And someone said that I'm going to kill them, and they obviously they're thriving. So I just watered them, and I filled up the ceramic pot with water and just a 1/4 spoonful of coffee in each one, and I let them soak in there for about 15 minutes, no longer than that, because they don't need a lot of water. You just water them once a month or once every 3 weeks. No spots, nothing on them now. This one here, I broke the leaf, so I cut it off. That's it, just a quick update to prove that what I've been doing, it works. So if you buy an orchid and you love it, and if you look after it like the way I do, they would last you for a couple of years. Well, this one, I had it for 2.5 years. And look at it, it's beautiful. All I've done is when I brought them, I've just changed the pot, put them in a bigger pot, and proper orchid rooting mixed. It's like a bark or some sort. Thanks for watching, folks. I'll see you next time when these started to flower, and prove that what I've done, it didn't harm them at all. It made them rejuvenate instead.